Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove selection or section break on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. So here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser. Once you did that, you will need to go to the URL section and simply just type this Google Docs, hit the enter button, and you'll find yourself here at this page. Of course, from here you would like to go to the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement, and once you click on it, you'll find yourself here with this page. And of course, if you're not at this page, make sure to go back and check for the right link unless you are at this page. That will be even better. So once you are here, you would like to go and click at the sign in option at the top left corner to top right corner to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, as you can see here, you can just go and sign up for free by this option. So of course, if you have a Google account linked into your browser, you'll be able to do these two options faster and simple, and that will prevent you from going through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of the two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And from here, you'd like to create a blank document, so open some of your recent documents, just or choose some of their templates. Just choose whatever you want, and you will be here at your documents. So of course, as we said, we would like to remove a section break. So let's say, as an example, you have here a lot of pages. So let me just insert here, go insert a break, page break, and or you can even like, as you can see, you have here this section break, as you can see, which is the same page break. So you would like to remove this. It's annoying, like you write it something here and you just pass the paper and it's created for you another paper and you like edited something and it's gone and you want to remove it. So simply, if you want to remove it, whatever here, like go to select everything in the paper and just hit the backspace option. Of course, once you did that, the paper will be deleted or the section break will be deleted. Of course, that will happen for all the pages. The Unless the first page will not work with it. Of course, you will need to a page to work with in the Google Docs. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.